Hi everyone, welcome to Hacktoberfest Guwahati. So this is the list of members participating in the program. So if you open this website, so you'll see the list here. This list is generated from this directory where all the members create a file for their name. So your task is to add your name to this list. That means you'll add a file to this directory. So let's see how to do that. So there are 10 steps. So we'll start with the first step, of course. The first step is forking this repository. So I'll just open this link in a new in a new tab. Then let's fork this repository. So this is under build until PR, and after we fork, it will be the username /PR. By the way, I have created a totally new user for this tutorial. So this is the fork repository. So let's see what the next step is. The next step is clone your repository locally. So I'll just copy this thing, copy it, and I have empty directory here. I just copied this one and I'll replace the username with the username of my own. So let's clone this. So the next step after cloning is creating a branch, right? So we are done cloning. We have to cd inside the directory, change directory into the directory, and if we ls here, we see the same files that we are seeing here. So I will copy this to create a new branch. So I'll replace the username with my username again. So if you do git branch, you can see we are switched to this new branch. Here you will have your username. The next step is to create a new file inside the directory names. So let's go inside the directory names where we have all the names here. So we'll add our name. So to do that, I will create a file with the file name username.md. I'll use the nano text editor .md. This is my username .md. md for markdown. So then we have to write everything in this format. So I'll just paste things here. I don't want to add the optional field. I don't even want to add LinkedIn. Okay, Twitter is alright. So suppose this is my username and my blog.com. That's it. These dots are just placeholder for 3 spaces. So again, I'll replace the username with my username, that is this one. I'll just paste it, and then again I'll paste it here also. So now the file is ready. So we can save it. Control X, Y, capital Y. So the file, enter. So if we ls now, so there is this third file. So this is the file that we just created. So go back. So let's see what the next step is. By the way, you can see the examples for the other files. So the next step is adding the file to the staging area. So I'll just add this. I'll replace this with my username, whatever it was. Yeah, this one. So this is done. Then I'll add commit. So for the username, I'll add my username. Here we go. So you have committed the change. The next thing is to see is if you get a warning like this, you will have to follow these instructions, and then we just need to push it. So this can be anything, but still I'll just put my name here and git push origin, and this is the branch name. Here we go. So it's asking me for the username. So this is my username, and then I'll have to give my GitHub password. My password, it won't appear, but you just have to type. So it is pushed. So if I go to my repository, this is my fork repository, I'll see a message like this. So I can compare and pull requests. So as you can see, this PR is going from your repository to build and tell learn PR. So this is the changes you are suggesting. So you can add a comment here if you want. It's not mandatory. So I'll just create pull request. So this pull request, now I'm going to this build and tell learn PR. So if I go to pull requests, so you can see my username is added here, right? So the next step is for you is to wait on the maintainer of this repository to merge your PR, and after that it will appear in the website that's here. So I'll just go ahead and merge this. So this is from my account. So if I go to pull request, I'll see the PR that is made by the user. So I can see if the changes made are alright and everything. I can also view the file by clicking on this. I think this file is alright. So I'll merge the PR. So I'll click on merge pull request. So this part you don't have to do. This part I will do. So after that, after I confirm the PR, so after I confirm the PR, the name will appear right here. So we'll have to wait for some time for the website to be updated, but if you say this directory, it's added here. So yeah, the name is here. Thank you.